Joey, no, making himself sneeze.
Why are you taking video of such thing?
Because it's going on YouTube. You gotta sneeze funny. Like, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. You.
Go.
53 times?
No, more. I am going back on zombies. At least like 5 more times. More. Go at you. It's funny 'cause I haven't heard it in forever. What the hell? Go.
Why? That's enough.
I don't care. Keep on doing it.
What are you gonna do for me? Nothing exactly.
It's called not on my Xbox. You know I want to get it off. Oh, here he goes. What the hell? Here he goes. Do that again when we get far back. Go.
Why?
Cause, dude, you're laying down. It's only like 10 o'clock. I say the best one was probably where you did it silent. Like, trying to do old man, so he's like, ooh.
The fuck?
Dude, this is going on YouTube.
You point.
Language.
Okay, I can't do it anymore. I'll do it later.
He's done. We'll have more videos up.